My dear viewers, now discuss physical and chemical changes based on cbse class 8 in MCQ type question answer. Okay, chemical change example combustion, that is the burning of wood, rotting of fruit, rusting of iron, digestion. But physical change, melting of ice cream, slitting, boiling, cooking of tomato. All the chemical change irreversible, but physical change, most of the physical change reversible, but something example for the physical change irreversible. That is, for example, cooking of tomato, it is the irreversible. Salting of pepper, it is the irreversible, but boiling of water, it is reversible. Melting of ice or ice cream, it is the reversible physical change. Now, for the concept of physical and chemical change, a physical change alters the appearance or state of a substance without changing its chemical composition, like melting ice, cutting paper, while a chemical change involves the information of a new substance with different property due to a rearrangement of atoms, such as burning wood or rusting iron. Essentially, physical change are reversible while chemical changes usually are not. Okay, now discuss some MCQ type question answer. Okay, question number 1. Which of the following is a physical change? Option C, melting of ice. It is the physical change in reversible. But burning of wood, rusting of iron, cooking of an egg, it is all chemical change. Okay. Next question. When a substance undergoes a chemical change, what is always from? Option A, that is a new substance with different property, but not a substance with the same property, no new substance, a gas. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Which of the following is an example of a chemical change? Okay, option D, burning of candle. Okay, but option A, cutting a piece of paper, boiling of water, dissolving sugar in water, it is all physical change. Okay, option option D is the right answer. Next question, question number 4. What happens when a physical change occurs? Option D, that is, no new substance is formed. Okay, but option A, chemical composition of the substance change, wrong. A appearance of the substance change, wrong. A new substance is formed, wrong. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Next question, question number 5. Which of the following is not a physical change? Okay, option D, burning of matchstick. It is a chemical change. Okay, so option A, option B, option C. Okay, it is the physical change. Okay, next question, question number 6. What is the process of changing water from a liquid to a gas called? That is evaporation. Okay, next question, question number 7. Which of the following is a reversible physical change. Melting of ice. Okay, it is the physical reversible change. But cooking of egg, it is chemical in irreversible. Burning of a species of paper, chemical in irreversible. Okay, rusting of iron, chemical in irreversible change. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Next question, question number 8. Which of the following is the reversible change? Melting of wax. It is the reversible change. And also, it is the physical change. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the periodic change? That is, phase of moon. It is the periodic change. But cyclone, accident, tsunami, it is the non-periodic change. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Which of these is a physical change? Folding of paper. Folding of paper, it is reversible in physical change. Okay. But rusting of iron, chemical in irreversible change. Burning of paper, chemical in irreversible change. Cooking of food, chemical in irreversible change. Okay. Next question, question number 11. Identify the characteristics of a chemical change. Option 1 is the right answer, that is change in both physical and chemical change. But not the answer. Option 2, 3 and 4, that is no new product are from temporary and reversible energy change in minimum. Okay, next part, that is question number 12. Which of the following is a chemical property? That is pH. That is the what is the pH? pH is the measuring scale of acid and base. Okay, this is the property of chemical changing property. Okay. Next question, which of the following is not an indirection of chemical change? That is change in shape. Okay, it is a physical change, property of physical change. Okay, question number 14. Which of the following statement is correct? That is option 4. A precipitate is the insoluble solid that form during the chemical reaction. Okay, but option 1, 2, 3, it is not correct. That is mostly chemical change are reversible. Wrong. Volume is a chemical property of a substance. Wrong. Rusting of iron is an example of a physical change. Wrong. So option 4 is the right answer. Question number 15. Which of the following is not an irreversible change? Option 1. Melting of wax. It is not an irreversible change. Okay. Next question, question number 16. Burning of petrol is an example of dash change, exothermic change, due to create the heat. So it is the exothermic change. Okay. Next question, question number 17. Digestion of food is an example of dash change, undesirable change. Also, it is the chemical change. Okay. Next question, that is the Question number 16. Burning of petrol. Question number 16. Burning of petrol is an example of exothermic change due to create by release or. Question number 16. Burning of petrol is an example of a dash change, exothermic change, because burning of petrol create the heat. So it is exothermic change. Question number 17. Digestion of food is an example of dash change, undesirable change in chemical change. Okay. Next question, question number 18. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its shape, size, color, and state is called a physical change. Okay. Next question, question number 19. In substance, which of the following change in irreversible? That is physical change. Okay. Next question, question number 20. A film of brownish substance on space of iron in phases of atmosphere and vapor is called rust. Okay, option B. Next question, question number 21. Complete the following equation, that is magnesium plus oxygen form magnesium oxide, that is MgO. Next question, on dissolving magnesium oxide in water, it forms a new substance. It is called, that is the option D, magnesium hydroxide. MgO is whole 2. Okay. Next question, question number 23. Rust is a common name of both B and D. B means that is the ferric oxide. Okay. Clear? That is the ferric oxide. Next question, question number 24. Chemical formula or name for iron oxide, that is Fe2O3. Next question. A change in which one or more new substance are formed is called a chemical change or chemical reaction. Next question, question number 26. This substance is formed on burning of magnesium, that is magnesium oxide. Substance is formed on burning of magnesium, that is MgO. Formula of magnesium oxide, MgO. Okay. Next question, question number 27. That substance is formed by mixing magnesium oxide with water, magnesium hydroxide. That is the formula MgOH whole 2. Okay, magnesium hydroxide. Next question, which of the following is are or an example of chemical change? Plastics, detergent, burning of leaves, all of these. That is all of above. Option D is the right answer. All is chemical change. Okay. Question number 29. Which of the following change is possible during chemical change? That is option A, B, C, D. Option E. Okay.